Okay, Honda HRV. Install 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing, 9-inch. So it's got a casing here. 9-inch casing is good fitting, no pop up. Okay, connect original reverse camera. Auto front camera. Add on two-way camera converter. Full menu. Okay, change to English version. Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Video input, video output. Radio. Bluetooth music. DSP equalizer. Full menu. File manager. USB pen drive, got 2. Setting. Storage 32 gig, 2 gig RAM. Okay, network, internet, connect Wi-Fi. So this is 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play. High spec, have to add on a CAN bus setting, CAN bus to connect. Okay, connect with a Adams Digital DSP. Adams Digital. Okay, buy one piece. Honda HRV 9-inch big screen. Thank you.